the time. Na tutaendelea kuunga nyinyi mkono.
Komachielo bende jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua wacho ni sirkal mamalo dwaro chako chenro mar choko pach jopuonjre mag mbalariany ewi wach mar chwalo negi omenda mag somo. Koloso e mbalariany ma Pwani e kaunti ma Kilifi bang' twak ewi wach telo mar dongruok, Gachagua nokwayo jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo Dr. Beatrice Nyangala mondo los kod jopuonjre e weche mag chwalo negi omenda. Kamano bende nolando siro somb jopuonjre 10 mawuok e mbalariany ma Pwani.
You can afford to take your child to a preparatory kindergarten where you pay 200,000 shillings a term. You move from there, you take your child to a high-cost school where you pay 400,000 shillings a term. Then, when you go to university, the government gives you a loan. Yet the money is not enough for everybody. So we were saying, those who are able to pay from kindergarten to primary school, to secondary school, let them pay all the way to the university. And we are saying again, there are those who can't pay anything because they are not able. Let us give those ones money that is not loaned. There are those who have a little, but they need to be loaned a little because they can pay. So we have the vulnerable group, those you assist them. We have the less vulnerable. They take a certain percentage as grant and a certain percentage as loan.
Archbishop Mar Kanisa